If you are creative, imaginative, and innovative, and you really like the idea of creating web pages, stunning web pages, and how the different elements of a web page are interacting, that is exciting you, then I think so the career in the front-end development is a good choice for you. And to build up a career in front-end development, you need to have a strong knowledge about HTML, CSS, JS, and certain front-end frameworks like Angular, React, and Bootstrap. And if you want to build up a career in the backend development, then you should have a strong knowledge about a certain backend programming languages like your PHP, Ruby, Node.js with Express. You should have a clear understanding about the servers, the databases, the APIs, the algorithm, data structure, and all of these. So if you are a multitasker and innovative, then I think so full stack is a good choice for you. And the skills required to be a full stack developer are the front end, the back end technologies we have talked so far in this video.